What up, y'all? It's your boy Kenny, man. Back on another video. You already know what it is. Just left my boy house. Ooh, these niggas speeding in the motherfucking parking lot. Just left my boy house. And I wanted to get me a little slushie real quick before I go to the cribbo. So we about to go get a slushie real quick, y'all, and then we about to head to the crib. My car sounding good right now. My car sounding real good right now. I ain't gonna cap. My car sounding real good right now. Yeah, though, it's been a little cool night. About to go get me a slushie and then head to the cribbo. This car sounds so nice. Yes, sir. Y'all hear that turbo? Y'all hear that motherfucking turbo, man? Yes, sir. I love this car, y'all. This car so much. It's really a dream car. Damn, these shitty ass roads, bro. This shit is fucking up my car. God damn. What the fuck? What the hell? Yo, let's get this motherfucking slushie and then we can head to the cribbo. The motherfucking cribbo. My car looking nice. Car looking nice, man. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Alright, let's get this. Let's get this slushie and go the fuck home. 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 What type of slushie do y'all like, man? What type of slushie do y'all like? I like me the Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew and the blue raspberry, man. The blue raspberry and the motherfucking Mountain Dew. No cap. Don't judge me on how big on the size. I like to get my slushie big. I ain't gonna cap. Mountain Dew, nigga. No cap. Your slushie should always look like this, nigga. Come on now. I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about, chat. Trust me. I might be a skinny nigga, but I eat and drink like a fat nigga. No cap, man. Alright, y'all. Package secure, man. No cap, man. Appreciate all y'all that tuned in, man. I'm gonna see y'all later. Make sure y'all tune into the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all later, man. Peace.